This is release question 185 for CAHSEE Math, similar to what we just had in 184 if you happen to watch that video. Same idea, but this time with an inequality instead of an equation. So I want to distribute this 4. It looks like this one I'm going to have to go one or two more steps than what I did in the previous one. So I'm going to take what I have, I'm going to continue that thought over here. I've got 9 minus 3x would be greater than, I haven't multiplied or divided both sides by a negative yet. That should not be 4, that should be 8. I'm distributing the 4. So 8x minus 4. Now I look over here and I notice 3 of the choices have 11x, so I'm leaning that way, that 11x is going to be somewhere. It looks like I'm going to need to add 3x to both sides to do that. So let me do that right here. If I add 3x to both sides, I'm left with, I did not multiply or divide by a negative, so I'm going to leave this the way it is. This is going to cancel out here and here. I'm left with 9, would be 11x here minus 4. And so from there, it looks like I'm still not quite there. I need to get the plain old numbers on the other side. So if I add 4, again, we're not multiplying or dividing both sides by a negative. So the sign is still going to be pointing the same way. It's still going to be greater than. This will cancel. I'm left with 11x. I'm left with 13 on this side. So this would be my final answer. Notice again, just like the previous question, I'm not actually solving for x. I would have to divide by 11 for my final step if I were solving for x. I'm just finding the one that it's equivalent to. So they tried to trick you here and here. It looks like they've got these as two possibilities. Did you flip the sign? No, you did not. So your answer choice for 185 should be choice B.